Is this so advantageous that it almost feels illegal? American real estate owners get to have their cake and eat it too. And I've always wondered, what is the point of having cake if you can't eat it? Let's get into this. Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold. This is Get Rich Education. In Canada, most borrowers' mortgage rates reset every 5 years. I mean, sheesh, can you imagine having your monthly mortgage payment double or triple overnight? I mean, that's a payment that could very well be the biggest recurring payment in your life. It is for most people. In the UK, the situation is even worse. Most of their mortgage rates reset every 2 or 5 years. And by next year, 2.4 million mortgage rates are going to expire for Brits. I guess over there they'll settle for a meager scone rather than a decadent cake. Australia, Spain, Ireland, and South America are all dominated by ARMs, adjustable rate mortgages, that have these short-term initial fixed rates. Germany and France have longer-term fixed rates, but they often come with prepayment penalties, meaning that if you try to refinance, you're going to get hit with a big lump sum bill. So worldwide, the U.S. is almost exclusively unique for its high proportion of long-term fixed interest rates with zero prepayment penalties on residential properties. And you know, foreigners, they really can't believe how good we have it. Sometimes they're incredulous that us as Americans don't borrow more. Therefore, how should you, as an American, if you are one, how should you play your existing mortgage loan cards? My gosh, you get to have it both ways. When mortgage rates rise, you stay put, and your rate is soon going to feel pretty low compared to other rates around you and other property owners where their rates have risen. And then when rates fall, you get to refinance if you want to. You can enjoy the extra cash flow from the lower rate, and you could even take the option to do a cash out refinance and pull out a lump sum of cash at the same time, and all of that is tax-free. So in a lot of the world, the point is that the lender resets your terms, but in the US, you decide if and when to reset your mortgage. And to foreigners, this advantage almost feels illegal. You can break the terms if and when you want to, and of course, it's entirely legal. And now, though it might not feel like it, at around 7% today, US mortgage rates are still below their historic average of 7.76%. Among the Fed's rate hike-a-palooza that they've got going on here, a lot of people expect rates to be between 8% and 9% by year end. And what this has really done is it has spooked primary residence buyers, but it's creating a windfall to you as a rental property owner. It places more people in the renter pool, taking them out of the homebuyer pool, and that's what makes rents surge. In hot markets, prospective tenants are even offering gifts to landlords. Maybe a cake? I've got to say though, I am still a little envious of Japan and Switzerland. They have an intergenerational mortgage option. It is a 100-year repayment period, a century of repayment. And yeah, I would take that option if I could, since the return from home equity is always zero. By the way, if you don't understand why your rate of return from home equity is always zero, I explain that in this video that you can go ahead and check out right here. Yes, your return from your home or your rental property equity has always been zero all of your life. That's how you can find out why and what to do about that to build wealth for yourself there in that video. So yes, I prefer a long mortgage. Inflation debases equity and debt at the same rate. And like I often say, financially free beats debt free. Hey, well, what's your mortgage situation? Whether you're in the United States like me or you're elsewhere, go ahead and leave a comment right here about your mortgage situation, and I will try to respond to it myself. I'll see you in the next video.